Welcome back, beauties. D Beasley here. Oh, child. It is day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. I am trying to do this now. We're recording and editing and uploading in real time because I think after this, y'all will see some vlogs that may be before now, but we're here. So today I wanted to do a holiday look with you all. I picked up the Fenty all over diamond veil powder. I wanted to use that on my eyes, do like a pop of color on the lips, a hot red lip. So I want to do that. Go ahead and grab a drink, grab a snack, grab something healthy. You know what I'm saying? Because that's one of my, and I didn't even think about creating goals for myself for the new year, but that's one of my goals is to eat better. I already have mastered the, getting back into the working out situation. But I want to eat better so I can lose more weight. And I don't even necessarily want to get down to like a medium or an 8 or nothing like that. I just want my clothes to be looser. These, I'm still in a large, so which I'm totally fine with it, but it's not a large, extra large. It's kind of like right at a large, and it's like fitting really, really, really nice. So I wanted to come on here and do a look with y'all, so let's jump right in it. I have not primed my face. My skin has been moisturized. I used, what did I use to moisturize my skin? What moisturizer did I use? I forgot. I'm not sure. But I did a whole skincare routine this morning because my skin be tripping. I got to go get my brows done. I have to wax my lips. So I may go get my brows done today. Probably not, since I'm about to put some makeup on. I can go tomorrow. But just going to brush my brows up. Let's go ahead and prime our face. I'm going to use this primer by MAC. It's a mattifying primer. It is their Studio Fix Mattifying 24-Hour Shine Control. And I just like to put some right there. This is a very, very simple look because the How Many Carats All Over Diamond Veil is like a very shimmery powder. Oh, this packaging is cute. That's the packaging. And that's what that looks like. It's just a shimmery powder, which I'll show y'all later because this is very like, once I put it on, it's like everywhere. So I'll show y'all that once we get to that point. But this is going to be a really simple, quick look. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I feel like this pillow got me all, it normally helps and supports me, but in this instance, it's in the way. Now, I don't know how I want to do this eye, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to build like the neutral, like the natural colors of it because I just want to focus on the actual shimmer of it all. This is the Nudes by Juvia's Place. I'm going to take that and just flush it all over my lid because it doesn't take much. And I'm going to take this shade here, just a little bit. I'm going to take it and put it right in my crease because I wanted to cut it a little bit. Okay, now for the star of the show, I'm going to take the balm and I'm going to apply it with my fingers because from what I've seen, it applies best with your finger. And hopefully, I don't get it everywhere. Oh, I got makeup on it. I got makeup on it. There's a better look at my eyes. It ain't doing too much, but it's just like enough. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with gel liner. I'm just gonna put it on my lash line like that. I guess we can use this Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai. I haven't used this one in a minute. That look good. That look good, honey. This one you got that fresh retwist, like B. Can't tell me nothing. With a fresh retwist? Baby, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Then I'm gonna take the shade 35 in this Sephora Best Skin Concealer. It's one of my favorite concealers. Then we're gonna take Juvia's Place in the shade Amber. This is their, it doesn't say, this is their bronze cream bronzer. I'm gonna use the blush I used the last time by Patrick Ta. Oh, She's Different. Take my sponge. I was gonna try to blend it out with a brush. Y'all know how I get. Y'all know how I get with those things. So, ooh, that concealer snatches your soul. Do you see how the concealer snatch your soul? It snatched my soul anyway. I don't know about nobody else. Not even snatching your soul, but just snatching your life together, honey. Let's do our nose. I'm gonna use the Sculpt tape to sculpt our nose. I feel like I want to put a little bit more on my nose, like concealer, just to open it up a little bit more. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this Ultra Pink powder. Been using this every time I do my makeup, which hasn't been often, to be honest with you. I think the last time I did my makeup was I was on here with y'all. That's what I'm saying. Nope. The last time I did my makeup was for the Sisterhood Jingle event. I'm take my e.l.f. sponge. a ghost. I look like a ghost girl. Okay, to set all over my face, I'm going to take this Sephora matte powder foundation. I'm in the shade 36Y. And I want to brush this away first. Oh no, I know what powder I want to use. I'm actually going to use this Maybelline Super Stay powder in 355. Y'all, I've been loving it. Super matte, full coverage, smooth. You know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all, I love that powder. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And then I'm going to use, what powder am I going to use to contour? I'm going to use one of my Jaclyn bronzers. This is Daycation, but yeah. I think we're going to take Daycation and use that to bronze. This is my bronzer brush. Why is this bronzer brush so huge? I know the answer to that. I don't even know why I'm asking it. You know the answer. I'm going to take Jaclyn Bare Babe bronzer, and I'm going to use that to contour my nose. I look snatched. I slick want to do some reverse contouring, but I don't know. I just use what's left. I didn't even put that on this damn brush. Where's it at? I want to use an eyeliner. I'm going to take a little bit of this brown shade from the Chocolates palette. And then I'm going to put a little bit of eyeliner down there. I don't want to do too much, so I think we're going to do a brown. Do I got a brown eyeliner? So I have a brown eyeliner that I want to pop on my lower lash line. I don't want it to be too dark because I already have the liner on top. Ooh, come on, smoky eyes. Come on. Then we're going to take our Giga Black mascara to get these little bitty baby hairs. We're going to put a little bit of that blush, that powder on the powder of the blush, just to give us a little flush on the cheeks. That's cute. Okay, we're gonna line our lips with this gel liner. That's Sephora Molasses. Everybody brags on that lip liner, but I'm gonna tell you something. I don't like the way it sharpens. Don't like it. Let's use Crawfish by the Crayon Case. Now I need another one of these for my kid. Well, I'm using that MAC one all the time. This is what we need. Okay. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of the brown. Ooh. I think I want to put a little bit of this on my face. How many carats? Let's put a little bit on our cheeks. Ooh. That's it right there. All you need is a little bit of that. Like, you don't even need. That's it right there. Okay, beauty. So here's the finished look. How do we like it? Baby, this lip is matte. Do you hear me? I definitely got to get this in my kit. Because what? I purchased it for myself. I used it a few times, but not like a whole lot. Whole lot of. And baby, this thing is matte, okay? So this is just a, a nice little look that you can try out for the holidays. Again, my main focus was this how many carats shimmering, what do they call it? All over diamond veil palette. So that was my main focus. I actually saw Nika tutorials like use it, and she saw somebody else put it on their eyes or whatever. So I was like, oh, I want to do a look like that. So here it is. Super cute. Baby, this lip is matte. This lip is really, really matte. But I like it. I did put a little bit on my cheek. Not too much, but you get the vibes. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all like another little holiday inspiration look. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and leave some comments down below. Leave some thoughts. If you did like the look, make sure to leave some comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.